if you have the Thinkpad P1 Gen 2 or the X1 Extreme Gen 2, and maybe you noticed the first time you bought your laptop, the display was very bright, and then you do a driver update and it suddenly starts to dim a little bit. So the maximum brightness of the screen after the driver updates will be around 90%. And you will notice this only by if you have seen the before version of the laptop, like if when you install Windows fresh, then you will notice as well. And imagine you pay 3,000 euros for this device, and then you have driver issues like the brightness stuff. So how did I solve the brightness driver issue? You need this driver. So you have to download 26.20.100.6911. I will put the link in the description. The funny thing is you cannot download this driver from the Intel homepage, so you need to search it on Google. This is from Softpedia. It's a safe homepage, and there you can download the driver. So if you have this issue, then what I suggest doing is you go into Device Manager, then you search for your UHD graphics, then you delete the device, and then you click on this button, delete the drivers, and then you delete everything until there are no drivers left for this device, and then you download this driver, install it, and after that the brightness should be very good again. By the way, this is a 500 nits display, so I don't know about the other displays, but with this display I had the brightness issues. Another issue I have, and I did not solve that yet, which is kind of annoying, is if you select if you select that you want to only watch it on the second screen, let's do it like this. So I switched. Now I will only see my HDMI display or connected via USB-C, it doesn't matter. Now look what happens. Maybe you will notice now, look, it's lagging. Now it's not lagging. Oh, it's lagging again. What the fuck? This is a i9 8-core 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD, like fresh Windows, and I know how to install those drivers clean. And actually you don't need to be an expert, you just download the Lenovo system update tool. But as you can see, many people have this problem. The funny thing is, if you want to solve this problem, there are two ways basically. You can restart, then it's gone. Or there is another thing you can do. You go into Task Manager and you kill the process DWM. I think it's this one, I'm not sure. And it's, or was it TDM? I'm not sure. I will put it in the description, but if you kill it, yeah, it was this one, DWM, then sometimes it's disappearing and sometimes not. So let's see if it disappeared. Yeah, this time it, no, you see, it did not work. Sometimes it works. But the only thing that works really good is restarting. And then the funny thing is, once you open this display again, let's say duplicate, it doesn't matter which one you select, let's say duplicate, then the stuttering is gone because you are using this display as well. If you close this display or if you deactivate that display, then the stuttering begins again. And this should not happen on a 3,000 euro device, right? I mean, come on. What's wrong with you, Lenovo? Look how it's lagging. And it's really annoying sometimes. Imagine you are a business owner, or let's say you work in corporate, or you are working with this device and you want to present something to your customers, or I don't know, to your colleagues, and you connect with the HDMI cable and this kind of shit happens. Sorry for my language. I think the reason for that is it has something to do with the hybrid graphics. I did not deactivate the discrete GPU because I need the GPU. Come on, I bought this device so I can have a good GPU inside. I will not deactivate it if that solves the problem. And I think that solves the problem for many people. Yeah, you can see even if I use the, okay, now I don't have the latest drivers, but even if I use the latest Intel UHD drivers and the latest Quattro drivers, it doesn't matter if I update the chipset, if I install Windows new. I tried everything, it doesn't work. It's still lagging. So the only solution is restart, or the second solution is honestly you use it the way that the second display or the display from the laptop is always activated, then the stuttering is gone. So maybe this helps you. Bye.